Convergence of series summation n plus 1 the whole raised to n x raised to n divided by n raised to n plus 1. For questions like this, wherein you see that there is an nth power for the terms appearing in the series, you shall apply root test, because in root test the first step is to raise the general nth term of the series to its 1 by nth power. When you raise the general nth term of the series to 1 by nth power, you shall get rid of this nth power in the terms of the series. By root test, we apply limit n tends to infinity to the unth term which is raised to its 1 by nth power. Suppose this limit is k and k is less than 1, then we shall conclude that the given series summation un is convergent. If the limit is greater than 1, we shall conclude that the given series shall diverge. In this question, we have been given the series in the format summation un. Therefore, this is the general nth term. You can directly write un looking at the question. You obtained un. Now we shall raise un to its 1 by nth power, because we identified that since its terms are having nth power, root test will be the best method of test to check whether the given series is convergent or not. We raise un to its nth power and notice that the terms n plus 1 and x are now free of power n. Regarding the denominator, n raised to n plus 1, when raised to the power 1 by n, it becomes n raised to n plus 1 divided by n, which can be written as n raised to 1 plus 1 by n. N divided by n becomes 1, 1 by n is written as it is. Now, here we apply the exponential law. X raised to n plus m can be written as x raised to n into x raised to m. Therefore, n raised to 1 plus 1 by n can be written as n raised to 1 into n raised to 1 by n. We group the terms which does not have n as its power. Therefore, we grouped n plus 1 by n. The remaining terms are 1 by n raised to 1 by n and x. Since we have raised the general nth term un to its 1 by nth power, now we can apply limit n tends to infinity. And we see that limit n tends to infinity is applied on n plus 1 by n, which can also be written as 1 plus 1 by n. Limit n tends to infinity can also be applied to the term 1 by n raised to 1 by n. We have limit n tends to infinity n raised to 1 by n is 1. Therefore, this limit answer is 1. Here, when you apply limit n tends to infinity, since 1 by n tends to 0, when limit n tends to infinity, we have this limit also gives us the answer as 1. 1 into 1 into x. To x, we cannot apply limit n tends to infinity because x is independent of n. Therefore, after application of limit, we obtain the answer as x. Now, if x is less than 1, as per Cauchy's root test, we have the given series shall converge. And if x is greater than 1, as per Cauchy's root test, we have the given series will diverge. However, at x equal to 1, we cannot depend on Cauchy's root test, because Cauchy's root test cannot arrive at a conclusion when x equal to 1. Therefore, we have to depend on some other test like limit comparison test or Rabi's test, etc. to investigate the behavior of the given series at x equals 1. So, we specifically examined the point x equals 1. At x equal 1, we have the general term un becomes n plus 1 the whole raised to n divided by n raised to n plus 1. This can be rewritten as n raised to n plus 1 can be written as n raised to n into n raised to 1. So, n raised to 1, which appears in the denominator, is written separately. N plus 1 and the n raised to n in the denominator both share a common power n. Therefore, those two terms are grouped and written like n plus 1 divided by n the whole raised to n. N plus 1 divided by n the whole raised to n can be written as 1 plus 1 by n the whole raised to n. Now we will depend on a familiar series summation Vn equals summation 1 by n, which is the harmonic series, and we know that harmonic series is divergent series. The harmonic series has general term Vn equals 1 by n. When we apply limit n tends to infinity on the ratio un by Vn, where un is the general nth term of the given series and Vn is the general nth term of the familiar series that we have considered. When you apply limit, you observe that 1 by n and 1 by n get cancelled, and this limit is applied to the term 1 plus 1 by n the whole raised to n. The standard answer for limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n the whole raised to n is E. and E is always non-zero and it's a finite quantity. Therefore, by limit comparison test or limit form test, we will conclude that whatever is the behavior of the familiar series we have considered, the same behavior will be expressed by the given series. Since we have considered a divergent series, we will conclude that the given series shall also be divergent at the point x equals 1. So the final conclusion will be series given shall converge for x less than 1, which we got as a result of the Cauchy's root test, and the series will diverge for x greater than 1, also for x equal to 1.